what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Secret Number Got That Boom, as a lot of you have been requesting recently. I don't know much about them really at all. I just know that you guys have been requesting that I react to them on multiple different videos, so I'm going to be reacting to them now. I'm really excited for it. Normally, whenever I react to new girl groups, I normally get really into them and I like the music. There's a rare occurrence that I don't like a song from a girl group, but most female artists, I like their songs. I don't know why. For guy groups, it's more hit or miss, but for most girl groups, I do like them. So I'm excited to see what this group is all about, because a lot of you have been telling me that they're very unique and different, and they have very different sounds that a lot of other groups don't have. So I'm really excited to get into it. But before I get into the video, I'm going to link my Instagram. It's going to be on the screen here and in the description below at Haley__Noel. Please follow me there for updates. I post on my story almost every day about when I'm going to be uploading, or just, you know, random stuff that I want to inform you guys about. I post there really often. And if you're interested in hearing about my life or just when uploads are going to be happening, definitely follow me. And yeah, I will be updating you guys as often as I can. And also, if you like this video, please give it a like, comment anything you want down below, and subscribe if you're looking for more content from me. I recently hit 500 subs the other day, so thank you guys so much for that. That's so crazy to me, and I love each and every one of you, so thank you guys so much for supporting me. And without further ado, I'm just gonna get into the video, and I hope that you guys enjoy. Ooh. Very colorful and sparkly. Ooh. I like their makeup. Excuse me. Okay, but like, they're very attractive. Her voice is really pretty. I love the hair. I like her a lot. Oh, alright. Is that a Dance Dance machine? Okay, yeah. I like them. What? This dancing is getting very, like, well, it's gonna say sexual, and yeah, it's true. They're all very attractive. How old are they? They look pretty young. Some of them. I don't know. I think she's my favorite, the girl with like the pinkish red hair. She's really pretty. Oh, I like her too. What? Okay. Alright, this song is really cute. I really like it. She's got eggs and avocado on her boobs. Ooh. They're all gorgeous. Oh. 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 Well, damn. Oh. This is hot. Like, genuinely, this is pretty hot. I'm enjoying this. Thank you guys for suggesting this. I really like them, actually. Are those Nerf guns? Oh my gosh! I love this. I love this. even know what to say. That was crazy. I don't know what I was expecting, but for some reason that wasn't it. Like, I don't know, like, I saw the thumbnail and I was like, all right, it's gonna be cool. This was very, like, unique. I know that you guys said it was very, like, different and unique, but that song was really good. Like, they're very talented. I'm gonna react to the dance practice. I hope you guys enjoy this. I didn't know that I was gonna enjoy them as much as I did, but that was really good. That video was really good, and their voices were really, really pretty, and the visuals were... Okay. Oh, there's a little dog in the front. Ooh. Oh. Oh, they're really going in on it, aren't they? Ooh. Oh. I really like this. They're all gorgeous. They have really nice figures as well. I mean, that's to be expected from idols, but I love all of them. They're very pretty. And the song is growing on me more now that I'm listening to it again. The girl that I'm focusing on the most is actually the girl with, like, the half up hair, and her hair is black, and she has the white shirt on that says hell? Oh, it says hello on it. I don't know, I'm very captivated by her. All of them are gorgeous. This choreo is hot. That corset top is really cute. Oh! The girl with, like, the caramely brown hair, her voice is very high-pitched. Okay, she's the one that was singing that part. I think my favorite voice is the girl with, like, the caramely brown hair that has the pink top on. I think her voice is my favorite. Wow. Okay, they are very talented, guys. I don't know. You guys should have told me about this sooner. Because I've only been getting comments about them for, like, the past week. But this has been out for, like, a month. You guys should have told me about this sooner. Because, like, they're really good. Oh, and she's the rapper? The girl with the black hair? I love her. The end of the song is so good. Oh, that hair flip was hot. That was really cool. I like that a lot. I like that a lot. They're very wow, they're very talented. I like them. I guess I have to add another group to my list of all the groups that I listened to. That was really, really interesting and new and, like, just really good. Wow. I enjoyed that. Like, really enjoyed that. Thank you guys for like requesting that I reacted to this because I didn't know about them beforehand. Well, thank you guys for requesting that I react to them because they were a really, really solid group. I really enjoyed their choreography. They seemed very talented in regards to dancing. They seemed like they knew what they were doing, and their singing, their voices sounded very, very pretty. So I am very excited to hear more from them. I don't know if they have many other songs out, but I will be listening to them and possibly reacting to them if you guys want me to. But that is it for today. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe if you're looking for more content from me. And I will definitely have more videos coming out by the end of this week and next week and, you know, all that jazz. But again, thank you guys so much for 500 subs. It means a lot to me. And that being said, I'm just going to close the video out here. So until next time, bye guys.